What's up, everybody? My name is DearRoderick. For those who do not know, welcome back to my channel. We're back with more Dr. Stone. I'm really excited. I feel like in the future I'm gonna start experimenting because I'm getting a little bit more confident with editing. That's just me. I'm getting a little bit more confident, so we might boost up to a little bit like two episodes, you know, a week. Because I know like the anime season is this winter anime season is coming to an end, and I already know a whole bunch of other anime is going to be coming out, and I really want to get into some more stuff. And I really need to finish My Hero before Vigilantes come out, which I heard, which is confirmed to be next season. So we're gonna get caught up a lot for the anime that I assigned for this for this channel. I say assigned because listen, I need to keep this as a hobby. I need to keep this as a hobby and not watch anime only with y'all. Okay, I love it. I love that I got anime content on my channel, but I stopped watching anime just because I couldn't get it on my channel in the first place. So I'm like, man, fuck it. No, I need to keep this as a hobby. So I'm gonna keep so I have to keep at least like 2-3 anime or on the channel. Then everything else I'm dabbling into on my own. So hey, that's just my law. That's just my law. But anyways, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for those who are new here. Follow me this down below. If you want to see this format and uncut version of this video, I'll go over to my Patreon down below. They'll be getting it. They might get it first. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this video. Alrighty, this is episode 3. I'm not too far behind. There's only like 7 episodes out. Probably gonna be 8 when this video releases, but yeah, as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, to the wonderful USA, I suppose. Welcome, baby. Y'all might not have the same amount of rights, but y'all are here in one piece. Welcome. Well, I mean, like I said before, they're probably gonna be fine over here since, you know, the stone shit happened. So, you know what? I'm not gonna say what I'm thinking. There's capybaras. I want to be a capybara so bad. What? What is that? Oh, dang. Yeah. Damn. Yep. Knew we won't see all that. Now that shit affected everybody all across the world. Damn. Nah, that shit affected everybody. Probably for the best. I'm sorry, I don't mean to laugh, but at the same time, bro, maybe leave some of them a little dead. Huh. Well, I mean, yeah, go ahead, restore humanity. Restore only the good humans though, because, you know, there's still some bad ones. Of course it would, because yeah, life still grows no matter all the stuff is gone. Yeah, our trees are humongous. And there's our mascot. Yeah. Matter of fact, it's way better. Matter of fact, it's way better than before. You know, we better mess up it. What? Dochi, send your squad away from us. Dochi, get your squad. Get your squad away. Oh, those are crocodiles, not alligators. Are they the same? Okay, this is where my dumbness is showing up. Are they the same or different? Are they the same or different? Meat. Go ahead. Look at his face. Yeah, fuck him up. Don't fuck with him. Some of the friends are scarred for life. Hamburgers, huh? And they put in the sauce over. Oh, my back. Oh, that looks way better than what we have over here. Crocodile burgers. I don't know what a crocodile tastes like. They always make me hungry watching the damn show every single time they discover food. Why y'all screaming? Okay, whatever. See, look at her. She eating her food. Very demure. Very mindful. Oh. It's always the men. Oh. Ew, what is that? I mean, I wouldn't actually eat it straight from the digestive system of a crocodile, but hey, we found it. So I guess we just gotta kind of figure out where he got it from. Oh yeah, the white man. I forgot about his ass. I forgot about that nigga. I would assume, you know what, this kind of might actually be a trap. This might be a trap. Let's wait a little bit. Let's wait a little bit. I might just be wrong. Who knows? Y'all scream way too. Is this the Y man? Who the hell are you? You out for blood. Got you. Oh, okay. 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 Saddle. You're making a bad movie. Oh, it's a trap. Yeah, moths. Moths. They look pretty though, I'm not even gonna lie. I love butterflies. Yeah, we just gave them a different name. It just depends on what they look like to us. That's why we gave them a different name, which is actually really stupid. What? Spying. Yeah, they wrapped themselves up in that. Yeah, to disguise. Yeah. Bloodlust. I don't trust you specifically, but I don't trust you specifically. I trust the rest of them. Y'all about to get shot up. Yo, one thing about the U.S., you know, gun violence is really high up here. But we don't seem to care about that. We don't seem to care about that. Oh! Machine gun! Okay, we get it! We get it, ho! We get it! You will run out of ammo at some point or one another. Boy. Just go. Just run. Just run. Just run. Y'all getting shot the fuck up. What is that? No, we were not spared. It has to be the white man. It has to be the white man. A proper science duel. Okay. Child. Either is a white man or someone completely different. Also, machine guns. In 2025. They said, listen, we're gonna come fully strapped. We're coming fully strapped to kill you. And I kind of like that. I kind of like that. I like it. I like it. So, anyways, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that cute shit. And I will see y'all in the next one. And this is...